back to my channel, and if the algorithm popped my channel up and you decided to click and watch, well then welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. So I'm going to give you guys a broccoli salad recipe that's delicious. It's so easy and it will be a great side dish that you can make for the upcoming holiday dinner parties that you could be having. It is so delicious and you must, and I really think you really have to make it, but that's just me. But if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. Your support is everything to me and I really do appreciate it. So you guys, enough talking. Let's go ahead and get cooking. Okay, so off camera, I went ahead and I rinsed and cleaned my broccoli, and I have two bunches or two bouquets because they kind of look like flower bouquets. And I'm just going to take my knife and just cut some florets, and it's probably going to end up to being around 6 cups. And I really wish I had this recipe up for Thanksgiving, but unfortunately that didn't happen. But Christmas is coming and this would be a great side dish to serve for your Christmas dinner or your holiday parties. It's really a great recipe and it's a recipe you absolutely have to make. I know I say this about a lot of my recipes, but I actually really believe that you should make this recipe. It is really easy and it's really delicious. So I'm done chopping up all of my broccoli, and now I'm going to get started on the creamy dressing that I'm going to pour on top. In a separate bowl, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of sour cream, and for some tanginess or a little acidity, I'm going to add 1½ tablespoons of white wine vinegar. And to balance out the acidity, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. And at the very end, I'm just going to add 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And now I'm just going to take my whisk and mix everything together. And that's it, really simple and easy. So before we pour it on top, let's add some more ingredients to the broccoli. I have 1/3 cup of chopped red onions. And I also have 1/2 cup of bacon bits. Now you can also use the ready-made, but I just took a couple of slices of bacon and browned them up myself and just added them to the bowl. Now for some crunch, I have 1/2 cup of salted sunflower seeds. And also 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. And at the very end, I'm going to put 1.5 cups of some dried cranberries, which makes this recipe perfect for the holidays. And now I'm ready to add that creamy dressing that I made earlier. And now I'm just going to take a big spoon and mix and make sure that the dressing coats everything, all the broccoli and the rest of the ingredients. Now this broccoli salad is great as is, but I love cheese, so at the very end I'm going to add 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. And just give it a big stir at the very end, and that's pretty much it, you guys. This salad is super easy, it has really simple ingredients, and it's really delicious. Now you can serve the salad immediately, but I would recommend just letting it sit for a little bit just so that all the ingredients can really marinate and the salad is going to taste that much better. And at the very end, you can top it off with some more sunflower seeds and eat and enjoy. But we are all done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share this video with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.